Hey Richard, Brandon here, just sending over that short custom video for your business. I talk about three things in here um, that hopefully can help you out. These are things that I find that people can usually do from the comfort of their home or the office. There are also three things that Google really looks at as far as how they place people in these searches. So the first thing is going to be website content and keywords. Second thing is going to be citations. The last thing is going to be backlinks. Um, so the first thing we look at, how much content is on your web page. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of content on somebody's homepage. So if we can go ahead and add more content on a homepage, that's going to be very beneficial to you. I would try to focus on the biggest niche you're trying to do on that homepage, and then make sub pages for the rest of them. But more importantly, inside this, content, we want to have good keywords. And the best way I can describe a keyword is this: think of what your current or potential clientele is typing into that Google search bar when they're looking for a service you're offering. Are they typing in Milwaukee cleaning service, residential cleaning Milwaukee, um, power washing Milwaukee? All those types of services you offer, I would also, inside those or with those keywords, put in it a service area. So if it's Milwaukee or Mequon or Oak Creek, um, carpet cleaning Oak Creek, uh, fire cleanup Milwaukee, always add a service area. So when people are typing that in, a lot of times people want to work with local people. They type in the service area that they're in along with that keyword. So capture all that stuff as much as possible. If I go to save this image, see how it says cleaning service and it just says image? Every one of these pictures is an opportunity to have a keyword phrase captured, and Google will recognize that. So cleaning service Milwaukee, power washing Milwaukee, whatever the case may be. Every one of your pictures has an opportunity to be saved as a keyword phrase. And then lastly, before I leave the page here, if you see up here, it says, your website is not secured. I'd go ahead and get that secured. Obviously, that's going to be a red flag for people. When they click on this, they see that they might back out before they even check anything out on here. So something you might want to look at. I then did some searches. I did Milwaukee cleaning services, and didn't find you there. I also did Milwaukee power washing. So you'll notice a pretty common theme here. If you type in any one of these keyword phrases, the first thing that's going to pop up is ads, right? So that's the first way you can get on page one of Google, is by ads and pay for it. The second way is to get into this map pack. And the way you get into the map pack is with citations. So if you filled out a Google business profile, a GBP, you would have given Google your business name, address, and phone number. If you haven't done this, I strongly suggest you do fill this out. It is free to do so. Once you give them your business name, address, and phone number, you should go out and get in every directory possible for the services you provide, like Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, Thumbtack, White Pages, any social media platform. Duplicate your business name and address, phone number, and you're going to get a citation for every time you do that. The more of those you have, it's a popularity contest. Whoever has the most citations ends up in this Google map pack, okay? And then the third way to get on the homepage of Google is to be ranked organically with your website. And this is a culmination of content and keywords, the citations, the having your pictures saved correctly, the meta tags, and then backlinks and referring domains. So I use a tool called Ahrefs. Anybody can use this tool. There is a monthly fee to use it, but it's going to break your website down inside and out, top to bottom, and show pretty much everything. So I can see that you got 454 backlinks. What's a backlink? A backlink is anything out there on the web, any link you have out there that if somebody clicks on it, it brings that person back to your website. So you can have these out there on different websites. You can have them out there on social media platforms. You can have left them on reviews or blogs you may have. Any place you can get a link that brings people back to your website is a good thing. It just shows trust with Google. We want as many as possible, once again, but the thing of it is not all backlinks are created equal. We want to make sure that the backlinks we have are good, powerful backlinks, meaning that they're relevant to our business, relevant to our customers' areas, okay? So don't just go get backlinks for the sake of getting them. Make sure they're relevant to what you're trying to do. It's going to show me how many keywords you're currently getting picked up for. Now, keywords, make sure they're buyer intent keywords and actually keywords you want to be recognized for. So I can go in there and look at every one of the keywords you're getting ranked for. And ultimately, it shows me how many eyes are coming onto your website monthly. So you get roughly 34 people a month visiting your website, okay? What I did was I went back to these Google searches I did, and I just grabbed the top ranking guy from Milwaukee Power Washing. And if you look at this Milwaukee pressure washing guy. He's got less backlinks, keywords, things like that, but he's got 140 people a month coming to his website. All right, so if you were to focus on the pressure washing thing or had the right keywords just for pressure washing, that's a lot of people potentially to your website. And then if I went to the Milwaukee cleaning services and just grabbed the top ranking company out of there, obviously Yelp and Angie's List are directories, but this Maid Brigade, um, cleaning service, they're getting 633 people a month to their website. So you can see there's a lot of meat on the bones, a lot of areas you're not capturing. I think if you could get 600 people, 630 people versus the 30 people, you would agree that you'd probably be getting some more business, headed your way. So that's exactly why I do this. So add more content, more keywords. Take these pictures with keyword phrases. Go out there, shout from the rooftops, get into as many directories as possible so you can get your citations and be on the map pack. And then clean up those backlinks, and you're going to see a bunch of good things come your way. So in the meantime, the only thing I ask for in return is just some feedback on this video. I want to make sure that I'm actually providing some value and giving business owners something they can actually use. And then if you're looking to take things to the next level, take your competition over, expand, do those things that the people in the number one spots are doing, then we can have those conversations as well. But in the meantime, Richard, you take care.